Okay, so I know I look a hot mess, but I'm currently mad. I just spoke her. And I had to peel some damn potatoes. I'm so pissed off. She better not come and say nothing to me either, because when I'm so who wakes somebody up and tells them you gotta peel some potatoes? You woke me up to tell me I gotta peel some potatoes? What type of shit is that? I tell you, man. You know what? She better be lucky. My cousin Poogie on parole right now, because he don't mind doing a little jail time, and I would have her ass disappearing. Shit. Hey, girl. My whack ass friend here. I ain't got no time for the bullshit. Girl, you look cute. Yeah, she back there. Can't stand these motherfuckers. Jonathan, show her where she is. You want something done right, you gotta do it your damn self. I don't have time for this shit. I'm telling you, peeling potatoes is not my forte. I don't do this. I cook. I am a good cooker, but peeling some damn potatoes, you can miss me with that shit. I ain't got no time for that. I don't know what the hell she thought this was. I don't know if she thought I just love to peel potatoes, so she thought wake him up because he liked potatoes. No, I don't like peeling potatoes. And I damn sure don't like you waking me up in my sleep. She got one more time. Then y'all gonna see me on Warstar Hip Hop going to jail for beating somebody's face in.